Oh wow, now I'm in the bus. I'm using again this little plastic here to travel around, and I got some drinks and a little snack in here. It's going to the University of Tel Aviv. The mother of Eva convinced me to go there because she told me it's a really decent place to visit, and yeah, I would like to see how Israeli university is like and just pass the time. Like, I think it's not a bad idea, and also going to by bus is a lot more convenient inside the city than by car.
Boker Tov everyone, זה הזמן for 6th day. I took the bus to get to the Tel Aviv University. It is not very far away and it took me roughly 20 minutes from the Bograshov street where my apartment is situated. Nothing much was going on in the bus and I had plenty of space and great weather to film the way to the university. The university entrance doesn't look too glamorous, but after entering the campus I really felt how huge it is. So many different buildings from various building styles and lots of green spaces made the campus feel like a special place. The amount of exotic flowers gave me the feel being inside a botanical garden instead of a university. I even entered a few buildings and one of those was the archaeological faculty, where I even saw vases several centuries old from Beit Shemesh before it got invaded by the Haredi Jews. I left the university, hopped into my car and left Tel Aviv, and even though the weather changes, the traffic somehow never wants to change. Welcome to Israel, the land of traffic problems.
So guys, as you can see, this is the typical Tel Aviv traffic, and I really hate it. Well, whatever, now I'm on my way to meet Yarin in Petah Tikva, and we're going to spend a nice afternoon together, and later on, I don't know what will go on, I will just let myself surprise. Let's go forward to Petah Tikva. So guys, as you can see, I'm here in Yarin's room, and where is Yarin? Ja pizdiet zona! Zain! So as you can see guys, I'm here in Yarin's room and I'm actually wondering where is Yarin, and he's here!
Hey guys, what's up?
Yeah, I'm here in his room, and as you can see, this is it, and he's got a really nice wall that back here. It really looks like New York. We're here chilling a little bit. Here we got some snacks, we got some music. Everything is great. Well, we're not going to make a balagan, but we're enjoying our time here. Everything is awesome. Maybe we're going to go out later, but before that I want to show you the view, because you surely don't want to miss it. Just look at this. He lives on the 8th floor, and the view from here is absolutely fantastic, because here in Israel you've got lots of high-rise buildings and I just love it. It's really beautiful.
How are you people? We are at Jifa Petah Tikva, Jifa PT Israel. What's your name, my man?
My name is Vlad Boredom and we are in Petah Tikva. How is the mall called right now?
The big mall.
The big mall.
The big mall in Petah Tikva. I really like it here. We're here in a Jifa store, exploring some shoes. Let's see what we have here. And yeah, we're having lots of fun. And I met those random people. Like, do you work here in the store?
Yes.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We all do.
And the dude behind the camera, he's exploring my gimbal because he really enjoys that stuff.
Thank you.
Press the 3 times on this trigger behind.
This trigger 3
Yeah,
times?
3 times. Like 3 times fast.
What does it do?
It turns around.
Why?
How are you, my man?
Yeah.
That's Magniv.
That's magic.
גדול.
Awesome stuff.
I know, I have filmed so many malls in Israel, but I just can't stop filming them because I'm a huge fan of shopping and spending my time indoors. Unlike the 7 Stars Mall in Herzliya, the big mall in Petah Tikva is huge. Lots of open spaces and a huge variety of stores leave no wishes left for the shoppers. While most places inside the mall are not on the cheap side, such as the Israeli coffee shop chain Aroma, you also find some bargain hunter stores like this Super Coffee's right here. Lots of affordable snacks and drinks are available, and of course coffee made by a barista behind the counter. It reminds me of a 7-Eleven or any other small convenience store in other countries, just that it is not a rip-off place. You can find those even in other places around Israel too. The mall got after a bit of time quite boring, so I made my way with Yarin to the bowling center in Petah Tikva, not very far away from the mall. The place got plenty of gaming machines and lots of kids celebrate their birthday bashes there. We even played a round of bowling together, which was also lots of fun. In the end, I won only 2 points ahead of Yarin. Do you see those bright skyscrapers in the background? This is not Tel Aviv, but it is Ramat Gan, a town right next to Tel Aviv. Since I love skyscrapers, I wanted to check them out, and the area is called Diamond Exchange. It is one of the world's biggest trade centers for diamonds, and in the night it is pretty dead, so it was perfect for me to explore the shiny lights on my own without getting disturbed by other people.
So I'm back now from Ramat Gan, from Petah Tikva and Ramat Gan. I want to go now to eat something, but it's 11:15 in the evening, so there's not many choices open, but there is a really nice burger restaurant next to my apartment house, and I'm going there and get something to eat. I'm going to show you how it looks like and going to show you what I'm going to eat then. So guys, as you can see, this is the sandwich. Spicy chicken sandwich with guacamole and chimichurri and lettuce. It looks really nice. I already ate the other half here. Now I got this one, and believe it or not, it's absolutely tasty. It's absolutely tasty AF. If you don't want to believe me, check this place out. When you come to Tel Aviv, you really have to visit this.
that was it from my side. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Leave me a like if you came until this point so far. Also leave me a comment, as I like to read your feedback, and feedback is always good. Make sure to hit the subscribe button in order not to miss any of my future Israel vlogs and other videos. Do you want to stay in touch with me? My Instagram account and my Discord server are both linked into the description below. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye!